Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So, I welcome you again in the session of Class 4, subject English Reasoning. I very well know that this is the new subject for you, that is English Reasoning. And I am going to tell you about what is English Reasoning, in which I will take the topic that is alphabetical order, in which you should know about the alphabets basically. So this is our lecture 1 for this particular topic, that is alphabetical order. So let me tell you the contents regarding this particular topic. So the contents which I am going to take this in lecture 1 are, first of all, I will take the definition of what is alphabetical order. Then explanation will be there. I will explain with the help of example that how you will arrange the particular words in the alphabetic order. Then I will take the homework regarding this particular topic. So I hope you understood the contents which I am going to take this in this particular lecture. So first of all, let me tell you what is alphabetical order. Alphabetical order is a way to sort a list. It helps you to find a name or a title in the list. We have to arrange the words according to the sequence of the letters. It is done by following the standard order of letters in a word. So we have to follow the standard order of the letters in the particular word to make those words in alphabetical order. Certain rules are there to arrange the particular words. So I am going to tell you the rules. So the rules are, first of all, correct sequence of letters. So we should know the correct sequence of letters. Rule number 1, first check first letter of each word. First we have to check the first letter of each word. And the rule number 2, then we have to check the second, then the third, and so on. So we have to check each and every letter of the word to arrange the particular word in the alphabetical order. So I am going to take an example for it, that is, there are 5 words which I am going to arrange in alphabetical order. First is lamb, lame, lake, lace, lega. So we can see over here that LA is there in each letter. So we have to check the third letter. So our third letter is here M, M, K, C, G. So where we can see C comes first, so we will put 1 on C. Then we can see G come after C, so we will put 2 over here. Then we can see that E, F, G, H, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, like this you can move on. So after G, G, H, I, J, K, so K will come, so this will be the third one. Then after this, the third letter here, it is M in both the words, so we have to check the fourth letter. Third is same, so we have to check the fourth letter, that is B. So this will be the fourth one and this will be the fifth one. I hope you understood. Now let's arrange in the sequence. Lace, lega, lake, lamb, and last one is lane. So I hope you understood. Now let's take the first part. Crazy, creek, cramp, crate. So we can see in these four letters in these four letters CRA is same. Okay, so CR is same. So what we will do, we will take the third letter. We will check the third letter, that is T, M, E. Sorry, E we will take letter, Greek we will take letter later. So over here we can see that M will come first. So first will be cram. Then T will come. So T will be the second one. And crazy will be the third one. And Greek will be the fourth one. So what we will write? We will write cram. Now second one is crate, third one is crazy, and fourth one is creek. So I think you understood how we arrange this particular question. Now let's take the second one. So here is the second one: drain, drab, drop, drip, drama. So here we can see that DRA is same, DRA is same, and over here also DRA is same. So in these three letters we have to check the fourth one, which will come first. We can see B will come first, so we will put 1 over here. After B we can see I will come, then we will put second over here. Then M will come, we will put third over here. Okay, I hope you understood it. Now we have to check in these particular two letters, in O and I, which will come first. You very well know I will come first, so we will write 4 over here, and over here we will write 5. Now let's write down in the sequence: drab, drain, drama, and the fourth one is drip, and the last one is drop. So I hope you got it. Now let's move to the next question, that is third part. So in the third part, blank, black, blade, blame, blaze. You can see three letters, first three letters of each and every word, they are same. So we have to check from the fourth letter which will come first. Okay, so here C comes first. This is first one. Then we will check D will come after C. Then this is second one. Then after D, M will come. So M will be the, blame will be the third one. Blame will be the third one. And after M, N will come, so this will be the fourth one, blank, and last but not least is the blaze. So we will write in the sequence: black, blade, blame, blank, and last is blaze. I hope you understood. Now the fourth one: chair, chain, change, charge, chance. So in this particular sequence we can see that CHA, these three letters are same in each word. Now we have to check the fourth one. What we have to check? The fourth one. We can see that I, in these two letters I is there, so I is same, fourth letter is also same. Okay, so we have to choose which one will come first. So N will come first, so this will be the first one, and this will be the second one. Now over here we can see GHIJKLN. So in these two letters we can see N is same, so we will check the fifth letter. So which will come? C comes first, so chance will come first on third number, and change will come on the fourth number, and last but not the least is the charge. So in this manner we will arrange it in the sequence: chain, chair, chance, change, and last is charge. So I hope you understood all the parts which we have discussed now. Now it's the time to assign the homework to you. So in homework, this is the homework in which you have to do 5th part, 6th part, 7th part, 8th part and 9th part. And earlier the parts which are given over there, which I have discussed with you. Okay, so you have to do 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th part accordingly as I have discussed with you. You have to first arranged in alphabetical order, then you have to write down in the notebook accordingly. I hope you understood. You have to follow the same rule which I have told you. First check first letter, then second, then third and so on, and in this manner you have to arrange the particular words into the alphabetic order. I hope you understood the things. You are supposed to send your homework on my ID. So my ID is Deepti West Academy Deepti West Academy 9 @gmail.com. I hope you understood. Deepti West Academy 9 @gmail.com. So thank you. Have a good day.